Hola.
¿Te conozco?
No, pero estaba pensando que de repente podríamos ir a tomarnos un helado al centro.
No.
Un ratito.
No.
Un ratito.
¿Para qué?
No sé, pues, ¿para qué conversamos?
Estamos conversando.
No, estamos hablando.
They say it's better to have loved than never loved at all. But what happens when it all comes to storm? Legends of the fall, first touch and eye contact. Yo, dispels and measures it all, leaving heaven and all. Sending angels that walk amongst the surf like, who the hell has heard? Yo, I gotta talk to her, knowing what it's worth to be seduced by a lovely curse. A pair of passionate eyes and a heavy thirst. Some fools rushing, skip the date, marry first. Others save the hour for that moment in they very first. Little pain and a whole lot of loving. 6 months later, there's a baby in the oven already. Sensing confusion and anger over lust. Like, was this really real or was it just a crush? I'm a lover, not a fighter, cause it means that much. But I will fight for love so you can't get touched. And yes, love is pain and it can be rough. But money is power and it can't buy love. So I know at times one wants to give up when the exchange ain't the same and the love ain't enough. A bird and a fish, a bird and a fish. They can love each other, but where would they live? Hey, yo, a bird and a fish, a bird and a fish. They can love each other, but where would they live? Hey, yo, a bird and a fish, a bird and a fish. They can love each other, but where would they live? A bird and a fish, bird and a fish. They can love each other, but where would they live? Hey, yo, a bird and a fish, a bird and a fish. They can love each other, but where would they live? Yo, a bird and a fish, where would they live? Birdie and a fish. Pour some bleach in that bitch.
Minha namorada tem segredos, tem nos olhos mil brinquedos de magoar o meu amor. Minha namorada muito amada não entende quase nada. Nunca vem de madrugada procurar por onde estou.
Wouldn't it be cool if love was always like the honeymoon, when everything is beautiful and sweet like some honeydew? Before the arguments and fights over money do, and the hips and the guts start looking like some lumpy soup. When love is faded, going with the wind, can't even pretend there's no need to be friends. And yet the spell in her eyes, all the need to begin. Easily lost in the thoughts and the smell of her skin. She embodies what is real, yo, it's better than sin. I am a bird to a fish, and we closer than kin. Accept each other for our faults like the rules that we've been. Looking for love, but instead finding deeply within. Yo, the pain of a past love, broken down relationships. If you've ever loved hard, you can relate to this. At times I try to find love and escape through it. Keep up appearance like things is all gravy in the fixings. Love is going missing. Not a word is said, but there's something wrong. Listen, building like a wave crashing out in the distance. The heart knows the instance. The moment like slow motion when the soul grows the interest. In another soul, a life is changed for good. Life is changed. That's a change for good. A life is changed for good.
We gotta go home early tonight, guys. She's waiting.
Peace to love, yeah. One time I want.
Seu amor, seu amor, seu amor, seu amor. Preciso a doce namorada, seguirmos firmes na estrada que leva nenhuma dor. Minha doce triste namorada.